There we go. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Holy crap. Hello there. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this video. One of my favorite things, and I don't know if it's yours or not, but one of my favorite things about fishing in the wintertime is that generally when you pull up to your favorite spot, the parking lot is completely empty. And when you walk to your favorite fishing hole, there's nobody here. One of my favorite, all-time favorite things about bearing the cold and getting out there and fish. And I would encourage you to do the same. Today, I have a couple of setups with me. I got my 5-weight FFD5. I've got a turd in the worm, and what that is, it's basically a big stonefly TJ hooker and a worm dropper on an indicator. I'm gonna run it through this hole behind me to see if there's anything there. It's a great setup for the winter. And then also brought my trout spay with just a Sculpzilla, right? Would you expect anything else? So let's see if we can pull a nice fish out of this hole. All right, let's do this. Fish on. Right, you can kind of see how the water is kind of rushing in here, and then it slows down. Nice inside seam there, outside. And if it was sunny out, you'd be able to see there's a huge color change, right? It goes from kind of a light emerald to a deep emerald. That's because there's a drop off there. A lot of times there's fish hanging out there in the drop off. So I'm gonna throw it up in kind of the fast current and let it drop off. I'm gonna start off with probably 4 or 5 feet from the first fly just to start prospecting this hole to see if there's any fish there. So that's kind of the strategy that I'm using going after these fish. So line's cold, never quite wants to work right. Oh, quick pro tip when fishing the winter, and especially if you got snow on the ground, get rid of the felts, right? Corkers has these river spikes that work really well in cold weather. It gives you great traction in the river and great traction in the snow, and you're not falling on your face whenever you're walking to the hole or walking around ice. So I'd recommend you getting some of those. And if you have corkers, I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to check those out for yourself. All right, let's get back to fishing. Another big reason why I like fly fishing in the winter is because if I think back, I think it's been 2 years now. 2 years ago, I had an amazing experience on the same river. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Oh, going. Wow. That guy took off. Wow. 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 Oh my God, Joey. This is a good fish. Oh, holy shit. Oh, wow. It's like a, yeah, I guess so. Holy shit, he took the, oh, what? Holy crap. Oh my God. Holy crap. It's like a steelhead. Look at this thing. Oh, that's freaking huge. Wow. So let's hope that lightning will strike twice in a 2-year span, something like that. Let's hope I get another big one like that one. That'd be pretty cool. There we go. Oh, nice. Ooh, got 4X tippet on. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Holy crap. Wow. That is a really nice fish. Try not to fall on my face. Holy smokes, that is a big rainbow. God, that looks like a steelhead. Oh, wow. What a beautiful rainbow. Oh my God, that's huge. Look at the size of that fish. Sheesh. Seriously, look at the size of this fish. It's freaking huge. Huge. Oh yeah. Fish on. So quick tip for you when you're casting these big double nymph setups with an indicator, water load. You'll find that you'll have far less tangles if you use that casting technique, casting these multi-fly setups out there. So water load and you'll have a much better experience. All right, time to get out the trout spay. Rest this hole for a while. See if there's anything in there that might want to come out and eat. Since I'm swinging, I'm gonna walk up just a little bit higher on the hole and swing through the sweet spots. How's it going?
Is that Dan?
It is.
Dan, hi. We were wondering about that. Jason again, man.
How you doing, man?
Yeah, good. We've been doing the Euro transition into spay all on a 3-weight Euro rod.
Nice.
We're having decent success. The fish were just pounding like pink worms.
Okay, yeah.
Came up and came back down, but yeah, man. How's it been going in here?
I caught one little one here. I was up above to start the day, and I caught probably a 21 inch fish on the pink worm.
Okay. Yeah.
And then I'm trying the trout spay. I completely suck at it. That's why I'm overhead casting it. Because I just can't seem to get it right. So.
Yes.
But I've had a couple on, but for whatever reason, I just can't stay hooked up. I've landed like 2 fish on the trout spay and probably hooked up 12 times.
Okay. Well,
so
today in particular, they're pretty grabby, but not like eating it hard. And there'll be days like that. The only thing that I suggest with the trout spay, if people are losing a lot of or hooking up but not getting them set, it's such a long rod, right? And it's different than a Euro setup. But you still need to keep a lot of tension on that thing. Mm-hmm. And rather than keep that rod low, I like to keep a trout spay rod higher.
Oh, okay.
Because that sink tip is going to bring that fly in. or it's going to keep that fish's face lower. We lose a lot of our fish when their face comes up and they shake loose there. So what I usually teach is let the sink tip, if you're fishing a sink tip, let that keep the fish's face down, but you just keep tension.
Oh, okay.
Mostly you lose tension on that thing.
All right.
Yeah.
Rod high with a sink tip.
I think so.
Got it.
I kept them on a little bit more than that, but yep.
Cool.
Awesome, man. Good to see you again.
Good to see you too, Jason. See ya.
Thanks for all the videos.
Yeah.
Keep up the good work.
Appreciate it. All right, fish on, guys. There we go. Rod high. Taking Jason's advice from Red's Fly Shop. See if I can actually land one. Sweet. Thank you, Jason. I finally landed a fish on the spay rod. Nice. That's pretty cool when you run into Jason from Red's Fly Shop on the river and he gives you some advice And then you use that advice and land a fish not but 5 minutes later. So thanks, Jason. I appreciate it. And if you guys haven't ever been down to Red's Fly Shop down in the canyon, you need to. It's a great shop. That's where I'm going to have dinner tonight. And just, you know, destination place for sure. Something you need to check out if you're out here in the canyon. All right, I'm cold. I'm hungry. I had a great day. Thanks for joining me. Something special about winter fishing. I'd encourage you to get out there and do some yourself. All right, everybody. Till the next time, fish home. Now that was good.